Many people perform Umrah on the 27th of Ramadan and consider it a great virtue, which further increases the number of pilgrims in the Haram. The question is whether there is any special virtue of performing Umrah on the 27th day of Ramadan or the 27th night in the hadiths, and how is it to perform Umrah on the 27th night? In the blessed hadiths, the virtue of performing Umrah in Ramadan has been mentioned. The reward of Umrah in Ramadan has been declared equal to the reward of Hajj, and in one tradition, the Prophet has declared performing Umrah in Ramadan as equal to performing Hajj with him. However, in Sahih al-Bukhari, it was narrated on the authority of Hazrat Abdullah bin Abbas, may Allah be pleased with him, that he said, "The Messenger of Allah, may God bless him and grant him peace, asked an Ansari woman, 'What is the obstacle for you to perform Hajj with us?' She replied, 'We only have there are 2 camels. On one my son and his father went for Hajj and left the other for us so that we can use it to irrigate the fields.' He said, 'When the month of Ramadan came, in it to perform Umrah, because performing Umrah in Ramadan is equivalent to Hajj. And in the hadith of Muslim, it is equivalent to performing Hajj with me.' Hazrat Shah Waliullah Muhadith Dalavi, may Allah have mercy on him, writes, Hajj is more than Umrah, because there are 2 things in Hajj. One is to worship Allah, and the other is to call for the revelation of Allah's mercy collectively. And only the first thing is found in Umrah, but these 2 things are found in doing Umrah in Ramadan, because in Ramadan the lights of good people turn on each other and spirituality is revealed. So Umrah is performed in Ramadan. It was declared equal to Hajj. Now, in Ramadan, there is a huge gathering to perform Umrah. Some scholars have also given this explanation that because of the honor and virtue of Ramadan, the reward of Umrah increases in it, therefore the reward of worship in the time of virtue also increases. Some scholars have also given this explanation that because of the honor and virtue of Ramadan, the reward of Umrah increases in it, therefore the reward of worship in the time of virtue also increases. And especially in the last 10 years, and then even in the odd nights, its excellence will be even more. Therefore in the blessed hadiths, it is ordered to look for Laylatul Qadr in the odd nights of the last 10 years. It happens, and then it is narrated from some of the companions in the light of experiences and signs that the 27th night is the night of Qadr. So it is undoubtedly better to perform Umrah in it. The reward will be obtained from this Umrah.